Hi, this is Robert Hoffman. I want to talk to you about direct examination and cross-examination of mental health professionals. Mental health professionals come in different shapes and sizes, so to speak, in these parental alienation cases. It could be that they're a treating therapist that's already been part of the landscape for some time. It could be someone that's appointed by the court to do an evaluation on parental alienation, or it may be someone that you have hired as an expert witness in your case to do an investigation and to testify regarding the existence of parental alienation after reviewing all the facts in the case. In all of these three different scenarios, it's important that you start your preparation for a successful direct examination or cross-examination from the very beginning. First, you really must look into and understand this particular mental health professional's expertise and number of times that they've testified, how many times they've been qualified as an expert in this area, and do they really have well-grounded scientific understanding and experience with parental alienation. In addition to that, you want to evaluate and investigate whether there's any literature that they've published, symposiums that they have spoken at, have given other depositions that you may want to review for opinions given in other cases, try to accumulate reports that they've drafted, gather as much information as possible, both to help support as the proponent of the evidence, but also to conduct an effective cross-examination. It's important that you obtain a complete file from the expert. You want to look at and have the opportunity to carefully study all documents that have been reviewed or relied upon by the expert, because there's gold in them hills, so to speak, and you will find nuggets, you'll find notes, you'll find comments, you'll find omissions, you'll find really kind of a blueprint for how you go about conducting your direct and cross-examination after you've reviewed the expert's file. Make sure that you get the complete file. You also want to consider, assuming that the budget permits you to do so, taking a deposition of the expert witness, particularly if this is someone that you're going to be cross-examining, so you know all of the work that they've done, all of the literature that they've relied upon, all the work that they've done in rendering their opinion, so you can effectively cross-examine this witness. Be prepared that either to support or attack a witness based on credibility and reliability of their work product under the Dober challenges, and make sure that you thoroughly prepare yourself for an effective cross-examination by understanding the science and knowing where the pressure points are to help stress your points at trial.